Unmasking the top 5 heart-destroying guilt feelings on diet. Ever feel guilty about the extra slice of pizza? You're not alone. We're exposing the top 5 diet guilt feelings. First, indulging on cheat days. Remember, balance is key. Don't let one day ruin your progress. Second, skipping workouts. Life happens. Missed a day? Just pick up where you left off. Third, not eating clean all the time. Health isn't only about organic veggies. It's also about treating yourself. Fourth, comparing your diet to others. Each body is unique. What works for them may not work for you. Lastly, feeling guilty itself. It's your journey. Embrace it. Let's turn guilt into motivation.